Hey, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be making some absolutely delicious baked beans. We're gonna be making these from scratch, so we're not gonna be doctoring up no beans. We're gonna be using the navy beans, and then we're gonna add our ingredients because we're gonna be controlling them. Now let me show you what I'm working with. We got our navy beans here, got 4 cans. Then we're gonna be hitting it with some black pepper. Here's a secret ingredient right here, that ground cinnamon. We got some onion powder, garlic powder. Then we're gonna hit it with that ketchup, a little bit of barbecue sauce. We got a white onion, and then we're gonna hit it with that brown sugar. Now I know you're probably gonna ask what type of pellets I'm gonna be using in this cook, and we're going with the competition blend, right? So these right here, Pitboss competition blend, this is what I'm using. And I'm gonna tell you this, in grilling season, I'm gonna be using these pellets all season long. So when we hit that brisket, we hit those ribs, these baked beans, it's an all-around great product to use. Now, without further ado, let's get down to this recipe so we can get these baked beans on that smoker and enjoy. See these navy beans right here? You want to drain these bad boys. And then we got this cast iron skillet, and we're gonna put these beans in that skillet because that's what we're gonna be cooking on, right? Or cooking in rather, and we're gonna be cooking on that pellet grill. We're gonna start adding in our ingredients, right? So this is about a half a bottle of ketchup, and we're gonna add this into the mix. Matter of fact, let me just open this, and then we're gonna hit it with that barbecue sauce, and then that's gonna be about a cup of barbecue sauce. And then we're gonna go with our spices. We got that onion powder. Now I'm gonna hit this with about a tablespoon of onion powder. And then we're gonna do the same with the garlic powder. So we're gonna hit it with about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Then we got our pepper. So we're gonna hit it with that pepper. Grind a little pepper out. And again, we're gonna go about a tablespoon or so of ground pepper. And I'm using a pepper melody, so this isn't just, you know, black pepper. And I'm gonna let you see it here. It got some white pepper, and then we got like some green pepper in there. A nice combination of flavors. So once we get this all done, we're gonna be in the game. Next, we're gonna add our brown sugar. We got a cup of brown sugar. We're just gonna add that. So now we're gonna work on this onion because I did say we were gonna be using the onion, right? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this to our baked beans. And if we need to add more ingredients in, then we will do so. Now this is starting to come along good. Look at that color. Those flavors gonna be absolutely amazing. Look at that right there. So when your flavor starts simmering and then you get that smoke on top of it, fam, I'm telling you, you're gonna be in the game. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that barbecue sauce. About another half cup or so. Now this is looking absolutely phenomenal. Now what we want to do right now is give this bad boy a little taste. Now that's good right there, fam. Now, secret ingredient, this ground cinnamon right here. This is what you want. This is what you want, fam. Is we're gonna add about a tablespoon or so of that ground cinnamon. And I'm gonna tell you this right here, you're gonna be one up like Mario. Now, this is what I'm talking about right here. Grilling season, when you got the baked beans coming off, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, baked beans is probably one of the best sides in the game, right, for grilling season. Now you let me know in comments what you like: baked beans, potato salad, mac and cheese. What's your best sides when it comes down to grilling season? For me, I always love a good baked bean. Barbecue, you know, smoke, you in the game, fam. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right back in there, taste it with that cinnamon. We're gonna see how it is. Now, fam, that's good. Even without it being smoked and ready to go, that flavor is on point. So we're gonna put this in the smoker and we're right out. All right, fam. Got that smoke rolling. We're gonna put this bad boy on here. Now we're rolling at 250 degrees, and we're gonna let this cook. We're gonna let this simmer until we get enough smoke flavor, and then we're in the game. All right, Focus fam, it's been a little bit over an hour. Let's see how these baked beans coming along. All right, there we go right there. So we got enough smoke flavor, I feel like, at this point. So we're just gonna give this a little stir. And then now what we wanna do is we wanna increase this temperature on the smoker. So we're gonna increase this to 300 degrees, and we're gonna get these beans to simmer, and we're gonna be in the game, fam. All right, Focus fam, so now it's 300 degrees in the smoker. I know you can see that smoke coming up. It's smelling good. Those beans are looking good. We're on the smoke cycle right now. So what we want to do is we want to thin this out just a little bit, and it's going to be perfect. Now, I'm going to add in a half cup of water. Now, this is key because you don't want your baked beans to cool down. So hot water is key. We're going to thin this out a little bit, and then we're going to go in with about a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to give this a stir. And this is going to take these beans, thin them out, and then, fam, you're going to be in the game. All right, Focus fam, the time has come. Those baked beans are ready to come out. Let's look at them. They're nice, smoky. You in the game. So we're going to pull these baked beans off. And fam, there you have it right there. Ooh, look at these baked beans. Let me give them a stir. Man, those look absolutely phenomenal. And they smell absolutely amazing, fam. Let me bring some up to the camera. Yes, sir. There we go right there. Now you already know what we got to do. We got to get us a taste test. Look at that. Don't those look amazing? Yes, sir. All right, fam, you already know what I got to do. I got to get this bad boy taste test. Now, normally I let these beans rest and cool down a little bit, but they smell absolutely delicious. So I'm just going to blow on them, and we're going to taste them. Hey, cheers, man. Now those right there, that is absolutely amazing. And you know I got to go in for another bite of this. Man. That right there, fam, that is amazing. So if you're new to this channel and you like this content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. And for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash into these baked beans, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.